Okay, hello, good morning. We have a new day today, and of course the turkeys are still here. Follow me around. I like this because this is part of my soil. I can't say regeneration because it sucks. So it's soil generation, where these are old piles of hay. Of course that's a new pile, but this is an old pile of peanut hay that's been pooped on and peed on. And so these turkey, like that one right there too, see they're going through it. They're gonna be clearing it all up and such. This is part of it, and they're gonna add more poop to it too. Of course, the bird dog Millie stays out. I got the tagging stuff there. I left the trailer in here last night, just for the heck of it. They're attacking the peanut hay. That beautiful little calf right there, looking great. Looking so good. Well, she's 4 days old today. I'm gonna go ahead and get her tagged. I'm just getting a couple things out here to do it. And of course the tripod so y'all can see me. Scale, the ear tag, and I've come up with a name. I know it doesn't look right, but her name is gonna be Eve. Kind of thinking Christmas. She's the first female born on the farm. So, Eve. I like it. Hopefully y'all like it. So the rest of this, part of the Aberdeen Association for these lowline, I have my AFF, Allen Family Farms. Believe it or not, that's an 01L. L is for the 2003 year. I have 01 because she's the first calf of the year, even though it's the end of the year. Let me go catch the baby, and I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna clean its ear with some iodine, throw a little iodine on that tag, pop the tag in there. All right. While my cow goes R. Kelly over there, I'm gonna go ahead and get the little calf. I picked this sucker up the other day, and I swear it's a lot heavier today. Oh man. First of all, I'm gonna get a weight. Ugh. Let's call that 250. 250. Now, I don't know if this thing just took a dump on me. All right. Now, welcome, Eve. Ah, you're such a cutie. You are such a cutie. Mom's not chasing me, so that's good. I want the right ear. And there's these two pieces of cartilage you could feel in the ear, here and here. You just want to poke that in between there. Put a little betadine on that. I'm a firm believer in betadine. Oh boy. Works better than chlorhexidine in my opinion. We're just gonna put some there too. We're gonna tag oil. Oh yeah, it also stains like a mofo. Okay, pretty. It's gonna suck for a second. Should have punched it that time. She ain't gonna like this. I know. You're so cute. Sorry, don't freak out. Done. Come here, oil. I stopped at 190. Hey, little girl. Oh, come here. Let's try to weigh you again. 242. That's saying 42 pounds. We got that pretty little ear tag. Little tiny teeth. The Eve teeth. Oh, what's this doing over here? Are you Mama? Oh, Mama's coming. Sorry, Mama. Yeah, I got little cow poopy on me. Hi, Mama. I'm pretty sure that's a girl. Yep, Mama's here. Mama said, I want my baby back. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. I'm not gonna hurt your baby. I know. There you go. Okay, she's calling baby back. We got the whoa, Mama's a little upset. She's chasing away them turkey. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, Mama's upset. Mama's really upset. Whoa, Mama got mad, but it wasn't at me, so that's good. Well, she was mad at me, but taking it out on everybody else. All right, I think that was successful. And didn't even make a peep. Those turkey have character. I was concerned that Eve's mom was also the mom of the other heifer that kept trying to suckle from her. I didn't like that. So she's not doing it anymore that I'm seeing, even though it looked like she was going for the udder there. So I was thinking that that cow was maybe one of Eve's mom's calves from before. I don't know, because that one's really clingy with Eve. But we have Eve. Eve looks good. I was saying, sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, all right, stop yelling at me. She's upset. She's like, who put this damn earring in my kid? I didn't want her ears pierced. I was concerned that the baby Eve was not getting enough milk from mom or the right colostrum or whatever she needed, because the other heifer was suckling from her. The scale's kind of janky, but for the calf to be in the 40-pound range right now, when they're normally upper 20s, mid 30-pound range, gaining about 10 pounds already in, well, today's the 30th. Oh, I missed a day, I was driving. In 5 days, 10 pounds, 2 pounds a day. I think that's okay. I'm gonna double check, but I think 2 pounds a day gain is good. You know, I think if she wasn't fed, she wouldn't be looking so good, but she looks good. I'll go get them some cubes and make them my friends again. Anyway, clearly these turkey are doing their job. Obviously I got the hay that I needed. So now I think I'm caught up with hay for the season. This will take me through April, May, when the grass will really be coming in. So a lot of this hay is going to turn into just ground cover. This is it. It's my piece. This is what brings down my blood pressure, just watching these little critters. I would love to get the other chickens over here. We look good. I'm happy. They look happy. They're cleaning up. Pretty soon they'll be catching bugs. All right, this is where we are. This is how we look today. Ear tagging successful. I'll call that one quits. I have a few other chores to do around here. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.